And look in the distance, you'll also see that there are two other devices. It's also sending energy up into the sky. It's like a defensive device, then an energy-sucking device, so we've ruled out the possibility that this is a device for the galaxy. Energy suction. It reminds me of some of your movies. It's about moving the Earth to another star system. So the nature, then this work is also carrying the same meaning. This could be a project that's part of the solution that Rick came up with to save the planet. It could be a device that brings the whole Earth into one wormhole super big giant to make a spectacular disappear in front of you. Galactus, but clearly next, it looks like it's going to go wrong at some stage. There are two things that are most recognizable. One is related to energy. There's a series of these. It could leave the Earth without enough energy to move into the final stage, or maybe the galaxy came earlier than expected. And there's almost nothing they can do about it. Then the team will need a more risky plan B. It's that instead of taking the Earth somewhere else, then they'll lure the Galactus to take them to another universe, and so the new Avengers say, enough of this. The final impression is the carpentry on the rock. When you're silent, it's an extremely interesting interface, with a thick set of his oil. There have been many such cases in the comics. Even the oil of long silence, they're like the gypsies of the East, was different. So there's nothing strange about the bearded rock, but at how Ben grows a beard at this stage. Follow me. It's going to involve an exposure to dilation. Bloom without any time, when you're near a black hole or a wormhole, make Ben to suffer the effects of time more and older, more quickly after this trailer. So we can see that Marvel is making a wise and calculated move when choosing the timeline of the movie. Was in the 60s. Before that, there were movies used the same context thanks to Loki's TVI or WandaVision. It was very successful and won the hearts of the audience. A universe, it also gives a more reasonable answer about the emergence of the super quartet. The trailer cleverly paints a picture of the quartet. They are both superheroes and celebrities. They have their own watch, own logo, TV show advertisement, and there's a cartoon version of Theo. This group is clearly not just fighting to save the world. They will be a global brand. Here's an interesting transfer. Compared to the traditional hero bone motif, the quartet is not burdened by who I am. Should I save the world or not? Like Batman or Doctor Strange. That they're going to treat everything as a technology startup. Launch crisis trial. Communication and development of next projects.